Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish soup in Dreamlight Valley. First, you'll need to gather the essential ingredients: any single fish, one vegetable, and a carton of milk. Don't forget to have a cooking station ready and some coal in your inventory. This simple yet satisfying 3-star meal is perfect for restoring your character's energy, providing a generous 670 points. Finding your ingredients is straightforward. For the fish, any type you catch from any biome will do, so feel free to use whatever you have on hand. Common vegetables such as carrots or onions are excellent choices and are readily available. Milk is a key component, and you can conveniently purchase it from Remai's pantry for 230-star coins. Gather these items and you're almost ready to cook. Once you have all your ingredients, head to any cooking station in Dreamlight Valley. Interact with the stove, then simply drag and drop your chosen fish, the vegetable, and the milk into the cooking pot. Finally, add one piece of coal to ignite the fire and begin the cooking process. In just a moment, your delicious fish soup will be ready to enjoy, boosting your energy significantly. Your freshly made fish soup is now ready. Consuming this 3-star meal will instantly restore 670 energy, making it perfect for extended activities like mining for gems or farming crops. If you're looking to earn some extra currency, you can also sell your fish soup at Goofy's stall for 680-star coins. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. It's a versatile dish for both energy and profit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.